Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's summertime and I'm sure you must have plans for traveling. So I have few tips on what all to pack while heading to a vacation. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about makeup and not include any skincare. So let's start with the base. So the first product I have is a primer. You all know the importance of primer. It will help the makeup to last longer and also act as a barrier to protect the skin. So I have these two primers, both are equally good, but I'm gonna pick this one from pack simply because it has a tint. Next product is foundation. This foundation from Maybelline is my all-time favorite. It has low to medium coverage, looks very skin-like, perfect for vacation. Also it is super cheap and is always on sale, and this travel size tube won't leak. For concealer, I have this LA Girl Pro concealer. Looks very natural and blends very easily and quickly. If in case I don't get enough sleep, I like to carry this full coverage concealer from L'Oreal. This concealer hides dark circles, dark spots and pimples. Moving on to blush. Blush is probably my favorite part of makeup. I really like adding color to my cheeks. This lip and cheek product from Nykaa is perfect for travel. Name of the shade is Rachel. It looks really natural and subtle. Also, if you carry this product, you don't have to carry a separate lipstick. If you aren't into subtle blushes, then another great option would be this lip and cheek tint from the Face Shop. If you are into rosy lips and cheeks, then this product is for you. If you don't own products like these, then you can use lipsticks as blush and eyeshadow. For contour, I like to carry this contour stick from K-Beauty. It doesn't take much space and blends well. If you aren't into stick contour, then you can go for this bronzer from Sugar. For powder, carry a compact which has a mirror for those quick touch-ups. These two are my favorite compacts. I'll carry this one because it is super fine and looks very natural on the skin. For highlighter, I like carrying a liquid highlighter so that I can use it in multiple ways. I like using it as a liquid illuminator for getting those beautiful sun-kissed pictures. If you aren't into liquid highlighters, then you can carry this mini highlighter from Sugar. This rose gold highlighter looks very pretty on Indian skin. For lip colors, I like to carry 3 to 4 lipsticks. I know it's a lot for few people, but I like to have lip options because I don't know what I would end up wearing. It has to go with my outfit. So I like to carry one nude lipstick, one pink, one red, and one dark and bold lipstick in case I decide to go clubbing. For eyes, you can carry a mini eyeshadow palette like this one. I love this palette because it is a neutral palette. You can also make dramatic looks like smoky eyes with the darker shades and even use the brown shade to fill in your eyebrows. Talking about eyebrows, you can also carry these eyebrow pencils which come with a spoolie. I have 3 options, but this pencil from Nykaa isn't retractable, so I'll pick this one from Wet n Wild. This looks pretty natural than the Maybelline one. For eyeliner and kajal, I like to carry this pencil from L'Oreal. It has a felt tip on one side and pencil liner on the other, so that I don't need to carry a separate kajal or a separate liner. These two are my favorite mascaras. They lengthen and voluminize my eyelashes. Go for a mascara which is waterproof and opens up your eyes. So these are the products which I'll be carrying in my travel bag. And that's about it for today's video. I hope I helped you. For more fashion, DIY and makeup related videos, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next one. Bye!